If I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my...
Back to Dirtworks TV. Alright, today we're back out on this job where we're doing the retaining wall. We're going to get it wrapped up today. Just going to drop the skid steer off and stuff. Did all the excavating here. Put in this road. Get the old skiddy dropped off. We'll get back to her. It's a nice, beautiful day here in Michigan. Our weather's crazy. If any of you guys are from Michigan, comment below. Let me know what you think of our weather, and if you do excavating and stuff, let me know. That'd be cool if we could maybe connect sometime or something, whatever. Always good to know more contractors and stuff in the great state of Michigan. But yeah, we're gonna unload the skid steer and go grab the rest of the blocks and finish up this retaining wall. See you guys in a bit, pal. Woo woo. Unload this bad boy. These are kind of a pain sometimes. Let's go get them blocks. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Dirtworks TV. If you want to do me a favor and go ahead and like this video and subscribe if you're enjoying our content. So today we're installing this retaining wall, blah blah blah. You heard it in the beginning. So right now we're at the yard picking up some more of them blocks. So the full size ones, those suckers weigh I think 400 pounds a piece. They're pretty big. It's quite the task to do it with our mini excavator. But that's a Cat 305 E2, and it's definitely about at its max. If you keep the boom and stuff tucked in when you're spinning around with the blocks, you're alright, and then if you keep them out in front of you and you got your blade out, you're pretty good. There's some times where, like, when we go to set the blocks and you try to lift them up, it's too much, so you got to bring the boom back in and kind of get full swing into it, and then you can get it high enough to where you need it. But a lot of times it works better if you're sitting up above the wall, back behind it. It's a lot easier to set them that way. But yeah, just grabbing these last corner blocks, so when you stagger them you got to use the half blocks, and they work pretty good. This is from a local concrete distributor near us. That's who we get them from. They're a decorative retaining wall block, and they work pretty good. They definitely look nice. I like using these blocks the most because they're so big. Like
Now,
in Michigan with like how much frost and like the ground freezing and everything, it's kind of sketchy using the other blocks. Like you see a lot of those retaining walls, if they're not done 110% completely right, they heave and they give out and stuff. Where these, I mean, they weigh so much they're just solid.
Install this wall today.
Enjoy the video.
Get on to the next one. Let's go.
So yeah, the base that we're using for under this retaining wall, we're using a 21 AA crushed concrete. It's a state spec here in Michigan. It's what they require under the highway and stuff. It's pretty good crushed gravel. I mean, it's not gravel, it's recycled concrete, but it gets really good compaction and stuff. So this seems to do pretty sturdy under these walls to where they hold up. And honestly, I mean, if you set them right, and depending on where they're at and what like their location is, like as far as like weight traveling behind it and everything, these walls are solid as can be. I mean, like I said, using those big blocks, I mean, it protects you to the core. They're freaking awesome. They definitely never have a problem with the movement or anything like that. But yeah, we're just getting everything ready to get set up, and we'll start setting them blocks and get on with it. Let's go. That is definitely where it'd be handy to have some help. Somebody who can unhook and hook your blocks for you and guide them in. That's where it gets a little tricky when you're trying to do it by yourself, and you got to make sure the chain's set just right so the blocks face the right way. And it's just a lot of in and out, where if you had some help there, they can unhook everything, line it up, put a level on it, save you a lot of time and effort. But this is what it is.